Drage prijateljice i prijatelji, evo nas u još jednoj emisiji Okretišta sa gospođom Dagmarom Gmitrzak iz Poljske.
Yes.
So, welcome to Croatia, welcome to Harmony. How did you hear for Harmony? How did you came here? Just like impression?
Yeah, I'm here third time and I fell in love with that place. So it was my third seminar, Alchemy of Abundance, this year, and then chakra dance in the evening, little workshop. I heard about that place from internet, and I felt that impulse in my in my heart that I have to come here. That this is this place, and everything. People, the idea of linking a lot of interesting workshops, working with the mind, body, spirit, energy. This is what I'm doing basically. So it was like,
That's it.
That's it. Feeling like that's it. So I am here, and I'm very happy about that and grateful.
You mentioned a couple of workshops that you made. Could you tell us? How did you came into this kind of world, if we can say like that, or what inspires you to start with this marvelous working on yourself and others and helping people around you?
I'm basically a holistic therapist. I'm working with people for 15 years now. I link many kind of we can say skills of personal development, and I work with in the field of transpersonal psychology. So I work with the body, mind, it means mental level, heart, energetic level, and also what we can say spiritual. But now I try to don't use so much that word spiritual. It's like it's like working with the higher self or every level of our being. It's interesting. It's amazing how it's work when we connect everything. The work is much more deeper than only on a, for example, psychological level. It means that I can link psychology with some techniques from Far East, and also with the shamanism, which is a very beautiful system of we can say. Which remind us that we are the part of this beautiful planet, the part of Mother Earth, and also some energetic techniques, quantum physics, many. Every time something completely new is coming on my way, and I'm just trying to share also new techniques with people.
So you don't. I can
Yes.
assume that you don't have your favorite technique. You just combine them, or maybe in sometimes there was some favorite, but you changed them. It's normal thing, right?
Yes. Now we can say the number one is working with the heart on a deeper level, connecting heart with the mind, with the brain. I also read a book about that, heart intelligence. According to what the people from Institute of Heart Math, Boulder Creek in California, United States, they are working in the field of the heart for many years, and they discovered, also according to another scientific researchers, that our heart is not only a pump which is pumping in blood, it's something more. It's an intelligent organ which communicates with the brain all the time, and the heart has its own memory, the short term and the long term. It means the heart remembers all our life. And when we feel different emotions, the rhythm of the heart change. It means, for example, when we feel joy, excitement, when we are centered in ourselves, the rhythm is very harmonious. They call it coherent state. Coherent rhythm. When we feel, for example, anger or anxiety or sadness, that rhythm changes very, very quickly in incoherent state, very chaotic state, which has not so much positive impact, influence on all our body. So it's very important to know techniques, how to, for example, through the technique of breathing, harmonize the rhythm of the heart. So there are many, many techniques also related to the field of the heart. And during the workshops, I share many, many skills with people, how to work individually and how to work in pairs, how to be basically more sensitive as a human being for what is around us, also for nature. Yeah, because this is also an important thing I would like to share, that the heart intelligence, it's not only about feelings and emotions. It's some kind of scientific research has shown that it's some kind of intuitive voice from the heart. We can hear, we can feel when the heart is in a state of coherence. It means also the harmony with brain. Then we can just receive more intuitive informations. We can also communicate with our higher self, etc., etc. Many things.
Do you think that in the last couple of, I will say, decades or years, there's been a lot of techniques going on, and well, each of them have some positive things for some specific kind of people and so on. But generally, I believe they share the same goal.
Yes.
That we all feel better,
Yes.
or
Yes.
to share better things to people. But do you think it's well, to have that kind of variety? Is it better? What do you think? Or it's confusion sometimes?
I mean, you know, now we are living in very interesting times, because we have everything, we can say. Every kind of techniques of personal growth, spiritual growth, or as we name it, is possible to experience. But the question is about the level and about the you know, the kind of work, because sometimes the person need very psychological basic support, help. For example, on emotional level, it can be working with trauma, for example, to release trauma from the body. Sometimes person need support on mental level. It means to work, to talk with someone. Sometimes body work. It can be also massage. Sometimes deeper work, also with energy. So there are many levels of work. So I think that it's not confusing. It's about to ask yourself what I really need now at the present moment. What kind of work can be good for me? Listening to body, heart, mind, and then go forward into workshop, into therapeutic work with therapists, or with I don't know, coach, with intuitive healer or something like that.
That is the word which I wanted to end. So you're using intuition.
Intuition, yes.
Yeah, that's the base of good experience healer.
Yes, you know, because only we can know what is the best for us. Nobody can tell you, me or you, okay, this is the best for you. The answers are inside us.
Of us.
So when we just ask ourselves, okay, what kind of work is the best for me now? I will receive the answer.
So, can you tell me something about your beginnings? How did you came in this world? Some people told me that they had problems, healthy problems, and that triggered them, or some other things that they felt. What kind of trigger was in your life to start on this path?
Okay, I can say that my path was quite straight. It means that I didn't have, you know, big crises.
So you climb gently.
I just, it was during my studies, I studied social sciences, psychology, sociology, anthropology together. Very interesting studies. And during the studies, I discovered that I really would like to work with people. I would like to inspire them, to motivate in a very holistic way. It means that for me, classical psychology was not enough. Then I discovered bioenergetics by Alexander Lowen. I discovered also some shamanistic techniques. I discovered basically the transpersonal psychology. I met a person, my friend and mentor, very beautiful woman and inspiring Tana Gubavich-Mand, and I was cooperating with her many years as assistant in therapeutic workshops and also shamanistic workshops, etc., etc. So I learned a lot of during that time. I'm very grateful for. And it was, you know, everything was smooth. I decided, okay, I'm ready to do that. I feel that this is my path to working with people. And then came another inspiration. I remind myself that I always dreamt, I always wanted to write also. So I had a time in my life that I completed 2 years journalism on university. So I learned how to how to write properly, you know,
Yeah, that's nice.
like a journalist. But I wanted to rather share in the books. So I wrote my first book, Techniques of Relaxations, and then I felt, okay, maybe another one and another one. So now it's a few books, actually 6.
6 books.
Yes, so
Wow.
it was like, you know, fully opening for creativity. I just realized, okay, universe wants me, you know, to write. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to do that. Because I believe that if we discover the gifts we have, we should share. Yeah, because this is the problem. When we don't share, the depression started, you know, in our body, mind, depression. So also, one of my very important inspiration to people is to tell them that find your path, yeah, find your calling, your path of your heart. And I can say that I'm an example. It's impossible, you know, to inspire people when you are not doing what you love. So first I had to discover what are my gifts. For example, workshops, session inspiring people, writing, working with voice also, because I also use like a intuitive singer. So I discovered that gift. Now I'm sharing, and I'm an example for the people to do the same, to jump into, you know, asking your higher self, your heart, the universe. Okay, what are my gifts? What is the purpose of my being here? What is my mission, basically? Because this is why we came here.
Of course.
So we have to discover it and share it with the world.
Who's reading your books? Do you know that?
Who?
I mean, who are women, men, middle ages?
Women, women, men, both genders. People who are searching, who are on, I can say, personal development path. They are searching. They want to learn also how to relax, because I was writing a lot about techniques of relaxation, many visualizations, but also how to work with yourself. The practice of self-love is also very important in terms of the heart, and many more. Also the chakras, working with the chakra system.
Regarding chakras, here you have a seminar regarding chakra dance.
Chakra dance, yes.
So, what kind of response do you have from people? How they feel about your technique?
Yeah,
What can you
I
say
think
about it?
positive.
Positive.
Because that work I share is very holistic. Chakra dance is my author method, based on 16, 17 years of working with the chakra system.
Okay? So the intention is to balance the feminine and the masculine energy through to the heart. Yeah? So we can do the big circle. Just dance intuitively like you feel, okay? And the sing also.
The heart is the door to the kingdom of heaven. The heart is the door to the kingdom of heaven. The heart is the door to the kingdom. The heart is the door to the kingdom.
I link chakra system, it means this is the system from Far East, we can say. India, Tibet, Nepal, but also in many places in the world they know the energetic centers. In Hawaii, American Indians, Maori, New Zealand people. And so what I'm doing, I'm linking some skills related to energy work with some exercises, body exercises, with relaxation techniques, visualization techniques, and also working with voice. So on my workshop there are many kinds of exercises, practice. Yes, how to work. Because every chakra, we can say about the 7 majors, 7 major chakras. It's not enough because we have many more energetic centers. But the 7 is interesting because every chakra is related with different area of life. So we can say we have 7 different areas of life of the person. From the beginning, from the grounding, from the matter, relating to physical world, to everything related to universe, higher self, etc. It means body, mind.
So you're coming from Poland, Warsaw, right?
Yes, these are my roots, my family roots from Poland. But
are you working in Poland or you working around the world?
I run workshops, yes, in many places in the world. Also Bali. I also organize trips related to personal development.
But of course, you come home from time to time,
yes,
right?
Yes, of course. It's very important to have a time for regeneration.
Yeah. Do you make some workshops in Poland too?
Yes, of course. Very often London, also London, Portugal, France, and Croatia, lovely Croatia.
What can you say about? Well, we say in Croatia that one quarter of people are looking or seeking some kind of development of themselves and so on. What is your opinion about Polish people, for example? How is it the same, or are people from Poland more open for alternative ways, if we can say it like that?
Yes, they are open because now in Poland we have, everything we can say, from from shamanism, many energetic techniques, every kind of psychotherapy. What I see, the people still searching. They are searching the best techniques. Sometimes it might be a little bit confusing to mix many kinds of work and doing everything together, because it can be a very big challenge, because it also, you know, awake some, you know, stuff inside, you know. So yeah, but I can say that Polish people are very open for the new. Oh, of course, in London it's a completely different situation, because they discovered that many you know, years earlier. So you will find more and more. But yes, Polish people are open. What about Croatia? You know, it's not easy to say, because I'm third time here in Croatia, in the Pashman Beautiful Harmony program. There are not so many people from Croatia coming, so this is also it's very interesting. Why?
Why? Yes, that's
lots of people from Slovenia, Serbia, Italy. Yeah, but why from Croatia? This is maybe the question for you also.
Of course. Well, that's
I can ask you, because
of course that is one of our missions, to spread these ideas, these techniques, and this beautiful center to represent to Croatia as well.
To invite Croatian people, you have so beautiful music, culture. I mean, so beautiful nature. So it would be beautiful also to have more people coming here.
You see, I believe that's the thing is generally how the business is developing in this kind of world goes from mouth to mouth. So I believe at the beginning they started with Harmony started with foreigners, and so this news spread. But I believe that a lot of volunteers are from Croatia as well. So they're not people who came on holiday, but they're also
from Bosnia. Also, there are people from Bosnia here on program, on the Harmony program. Bosnia, Slovenia, Serbia, Italy.
So we can only hope that Croatian people shall come too. You know, what else to say?
Yes, of course. I hope so.
So thank you very much that you spend some beautiful time with us, and to share your ideas with our Drugačija television, or different television. And well, I hope that you develop yourself in the best possible way in the future, with the best possible courses, and that you spread your knowledge to the whole variety, new people that are seeking for you. And we wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, and also thank you for that beautiful abundance around us. As I said, my last seminar was about abundance, alchemy of abundance. A lot of because abundance is a state of, for me, state of mind and heart. You know, that connection with the universe, with Mother Earth. So I wish you, all of us, to receive that beautiful abundance of our life. That's all the best for all of you, and all the people who are also watching that beautiful, inspiring television.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.